What is going on, everyone? Greatest Hits here. I'm back with another video, and today this is going to be a short one. We're going to be replacing the stock shift knob for an aftermarket shift knob. This is blue and obviously with a white Firebird. Basically, that's what it looks like. It looks really cool. This is a nice little shift knob I have here. I bought this from Hawks Motorsports. So this is $86 for the kit. Essentially, you have to buy the adapter and the shift knob. They don't come together, they come separately. So basically what you do is they give you threads on each side to kind of hold the actual shift rod right here, and a adapter obviously. And then basically what you do, you put this over here like that, and then you twist it on there until it's tight. Before you do this, I suggest you put the car in the on position and put the car in first gear, or whatever gear that you have. That way it's easier to get this clip out over here. You just take a flat tip screwdriver and you just pry this out. Not all the way out, but just enough to where you can slide it out, and then you put the e-brake up. That way the car doesn't roll forward or backwards, depending on if you're on an incline or whatever. So it just slides out like that, and basically that's what that clip looks like. So you take that out and you slide this one in here. You don't need it to be too tight. I'm assuming you don't need the threads to be too tight on here. And you basically just put that knob on here and twist it, and that's pretty much it. That's a very simple install. There's not really any videos out there on YouTube on how to do this on a 4th gen Firebird, so here you go. I'll show you guys what it looks like real quick. I'm gonna put this in drive. And what you do is you push down on the knob, that way you can get it in and out of gear. Put the e-brake down. So basically, that's pretty much it, guys. That way it doesn't move around or anything. I think that's how you do it, because honestly, I've never done this before on a Firebird, or pretty much on any car. So that way it doesn't move all around and everything. So it looks good, it feels good. It looks like I have a manual car, but I don't. So yeah, if y'all like this one, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, Greatest Hits, and more how-to videos and installs to come before I race the car. I want to get it on the drag strip very soon. So Greatest Hits out.